Forno Appliances introduces the Pro-Style 24-inch model 8067-24WHT built-in dishwasher and infuses a personal flair into your kitchen's decor. All Espresso Series white and black dishwashers come with stainless steel and antique brass handles to complement most kitchens. The interior hub is made of durable stainless steel for a professional look. Electronic display control with 6 washing cycles. The air exchange function allows fresh air into the dishwasher every 6 hours, keeping odors away. 2 large racks can hold up to 14 place settings. Additionally, the utensil rack drawer makes placement of your utensils easy. A portable utensil basket also stores items like bottle tops or cup lids. The baskets are nylon coated for durability and large enough to hold the most significant pots and pans easily. The upper and lower rack tines fold down to create more usable loading space. The top utensil rack is also easily customizable to tailor specific needs for those large wine glasses. The upper rack is adjustable and easily movable, making more space on the top or lower shelf. This Pro-Style dishwasher has 3 strong spray arms and an optional feature of a vortex disc-shaped sprayer that will clean the toughest of dishes and pots. The spray arms can clean the most challenging dishes or be gentle with your crystal glasses. This Forno dishwasher model has a rating of just 49 decibels for a super quiet operation. The multiple micro-mesh filter system can capture the finest particles of soil and recirculate clean water, washing away the toughest stains. The soil filter is easy to remove and clean. Keeps your dishwasher running at optimum efficiency. The detergent dispenser and rinse aid are conveniently located on the door. This model comes with stainless steel or brass handle. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.